Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best disc sanders on Amazon. If you're an avid woodworker or even a novice, you know what a pain it can be to try to get a clean and smooth edge your surface, especially if you're sanding by hand. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. DeWalt Rotary Sander. The DeWalt Rotary Sander is a great middle-of-the-road option that's also offered at a refreshingly low price point. It has a powerful 6-amp motor that delivers up to 3,700 RPMs. Unlike some bargain-priced sanders, this disc sander also comes with a variable speed trigger, giving you more control and versatility for different types of sanding projects. We also like that it can connect to a vacuum to suck dust and debris out of the air, leaving you with a cleaner work environment. At 4.81 pounds, it's not the lightest sander on the market, but it's certainly not the heaviest either. It has a well-placed mid-handle design with a soft grip and a side handle for easy use that cuts down on the fatigue experienced with some other models. One thing to note is that at slower speeds, the sander tends to vibrate and jump around a lot. Most users recommend using it at full throttle for a fast and easy-to-control sanding experience. Number 2. Gella's 5-inch Random Orbital Sander. The Gella's boasts an impressive 2.5A motor, capable of generating a speed of 13,000 RPM. This exceptional power ensures efficient material removal and provides a smooth sanding experience. The variable speed feature, offering 6 adjustable levels, allows you to tackle a wide range of woodworking projects with precision and control. From delicate finishing work to heavy-duty sanding, the OS280 delivers exceptional performance every time. This is designed with user comfort in mind. Its ergonomic handle provides a secure and comfortable grip, reducing fatigue during extended sanding sessions. The lightweight design further enhances maneuverability and allows for precise control. Whether you're a enthusiast or a professional woodworker, the OS280 ensures a comfortable and enjoyable sanding experience. Changing the sandpaper is a breeze with the hook and loop fastening system. Simply remove the used sandpaper and attach a new one, allowing you to seamlessly transition between different sanding tasks. Number 3. Bucktool Bench Belt and Disc Sander. Big projects often need big tools, but this is not always the case. If you are working with bigger workpieces but need something that will still fit on the top of a workbench, this is the disc sander to consider. It features an 8-inch disc that allows you to work on larger surfaces and is paired with a 4-inch wide belt sander to complement its efforts. That said, a 3/4 horsepower motor is the heart of the whole thing and can turn that disc at speeds of 1,725 RPM and the belt at speeds of 3,450 RPM. In short, you shouldn't have much trouble with spending time sanding with this tool. Furthermore, its robust construction and easy-to-use layout cement it as a quality tool worthy of the price tag. There's not much to complain about with this sander other than its dust management system. Even with everything hooked up correctly, it produces a lot of debris. Number 4. MAXXT Random Orbital Sander. The MAXXT Random Orbital Sander delivers outstanding power and efficiency. This motor ensures consistent and reliable performance, allowing you to tackle various sanding tasks with ease. Whether you're smoothing out rough surfaces or preparing wood for finishing, this sander's power will exceed your expectations. To ensure optimal results across different materials and applications, the MAXXT Random Orbital Sander features variable speed control. With a 3A motor, you can adjust the speed to match the specific requirements of your project. This feature allows for greater control and precision, preventing the risk of damaging delicate surfaces or producing inconsistent results. From gentle polishing to aggressive material removal, the MAXXT sander empowers you to achieve the desired finish with ease. Number 5. Wen 4.3-amp Belt and Disc Sander. If you're looking for an affordable sander that provides excellent performance for light-duty jobs, this is the tool for you. It has both a disc sander and a belt sander, which makes the already desirable price point even sweeter. The 6-inch disc is perfect for shaping and smoothing edges, and the 4-inch wide belt is there to perform the jobs that it can't. This sander also features a super sturdy cast iron base that limits safety issues by keeping the sander in place while you work. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.